Hey, what's up, guys? Danny Bear 87 here, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, what's up? If you're back, hey, what's up? Thank you for coming back. Anyways, I wanted to show you how I kitted up my spooky lips, small pics that I got from the Dreamer Design Co. I was trying to figure out. I think I put a lot of thought into how I was going to kit up. But thank you, Plain, for coming over as I'm talking. But anyways, I wanted to use my these kits because I really enjoyed using that for my last pick that I worked on, coffee donuts from Dreamer Designs. But I bought another one, but each of these are only 50. So in the altogether the 8 picks, it was 110 colors. So I decided to use my round ones containers. Um but there were some colors I had a little more of, so I decided to move my water out the way. So I did decide to kit up a little bit in here because with my drawers, it's 111. Okay, no, I'm sorry. It's 120 colors for all 8 picks, and here I only have 111. So I needed to use some of these. And so let's look at these first. I can't really figure out what order to put stuff in. But I did use, these are my bigger ones. The biggest ones I have. And these are all the same. This is the fairy dust 5200, the pure whites. Yeah, I had 6 bags of these, so I started using this one, so that's why it was a little less, but they were about equal, so 6 bags, so 2 were able to fit in each container, so that's very helpful. And then a 310, yeah, that filled up pretty much the whole thing. I was worried, I was like, oh no, is it not gonna fit? I don't know. But then I took some other ones, hold it up. Maybe that'd be easier. But the other ones didn't really fill up the containers all the way. I guess I could have used these, but I decided to use the ones I got from Diamond Art Club. Also, switched out with some of these. The ones that came with this one that I got this from Temu, by the way. But I got some. I swore it was 2 others. Wasn't it? I swore it was a 4-pack. Oh. Here we go. I got these from Diamond Art Club when I bought my Halloween picks. They had, if you made an order within a certain time period, you got a free gift. But I didn't realize it told you what the free gift was. So the free gift were these containers. So see, that's how I could tell. And this is the container that came with that. So, still wanted to use these, but it didn't really fill up too much. And I did use some of these too on the pick that I started on. So I thought it'd be interesting to use them, and I like them. So maybe I'll get one from Diamond Art Club as well one day. I don't know. I'm not sure how many they comes in their containers. I have to check that out. So these are the ones that needed big ones, and then these are just in there just because. Oh, and I don't know if I can't remember. I did an unboxing for these, but I can't remember if I noticed this, but the 320, I cut it off. Oh no, it's there. It's just the 3500. It has AB and it has fairy dust. Yeah, I didn't realize that. So I gotta remember that when I kit down, so that I'm not mixing up stuff. But anyways, so keep that out. Close that up. And then my dusty, I knocked over my water. move that over there. My dusty little containers that I got from Amazon, the Art Dot. They don't have this. I have a 3-layered one. They don't have the 3-layer one anymore. It's now just a 4-layer. But I was trying to find a good way to organize it. So I remember one time when I had a large kit from Diamond Art Club, I separated them by colors or shades. I just feel like one day I'm just gonna break that. But anyways, I tried to push these back so you can see. I tried to keep the colors sort of kind of together. So this one is supposed to be all blues and purples. You have some grays in here too. And I just put them in there because by the time I was done kitting up, because I started kitting up in the bigger, in this one. And then I was like, well, I'm gonna eventually have to use some of these. So I was like, a lot of them didn't have, majority of them didn't have that many in there. So kitting up in the round ones were just fine. So yeah, some grays, some blues, and purples. And then some of the grays kind of looked purplish, and some other colors looked purplish. And so this is supposed to be the oranges, the browns, the reds, and you got some pinks in here also. Yeah, all the pinks should be in here. Though some of the pinks and the purples and the reds kind of looked alike. So I don't know. I just stuck all of them in here. So and then all the greens, the yellows, and oranges and creamy colors are in this one. I didn't realize how much green was in here until I started kitting up. I was like, wow, that's a lot of green. So yeah, I just put the stickers on here, and then let's see, do I have one in here? Oh yeah, right here. So these as you see, these stickers along, so like this is the number on the chart, then the letter, and then the DMC number. And I got close to the end, and then I just decided to just tear off the number on the chart because I'm not going to pay attention to that. And then I also cut off the extra-ness on the side. Then I was like, why didn't I do that before? I don't know me. I don't know. But I don't know. I guess this helps a little bit, but this is gonna do for now. Until well, let me put these back. But I think I'll just look at the picture and then just pick out which colors I need to use for that pick. So then, because as soon as I can get this back in here, there we go. I can show you what I've been worked on so far. And put that there. Then you can focus on the picture. I'll show you some of my tripod. Let's just scoot into here. So I didn't get to finish this one. This is the only one I've worked on. Sad. Yeah, I worked on this pretty much all day last Sunday, not Easter Sunday. Then I couldn't work on it last week. Just every time I'm like, I'll get to work on it, then I work late, and then other stuff came up. I know, story of my life. Anyways, and then Sunday, which is my day I usually diamond paint, it was Easter. So I was spending time with family, and also it was my mom's birthday. So we were out pretty much all day. By the time I got home, I just wanted to relax. Sore body. I'm broken. I'm an old woman now. Friday was my birthday. I turned 39. And apparently some people consider 40 middle age. So I'm pre-middle age. Yeah. So, but I definitely could be working on this tonight. Probably will start working on it when I'm done this video. But as you see, I was trying to go by colors, one by one. No, I multi-placed in the background and stuff. But, try to do one color at a time. And, since it's kind of small, usually I just do section by section. But I thought that would be a little bit easier to do. But of course, there's some colors I had to go back and get because I missed a spot. And I might not have done all of them. I think there might be some more I need to go back and do. But this is what I've done so far. Does that look like? It looked like it was about to pop off. I don't know, but I'm loving it so far. Loving this pick so far. It the drills line up very, very, very well. I love it, especially with background. I just hate backgrounds where there's just this one color, and you know, it just feels like they don't line up as well. But these look like they're doing pretty well, and I'm very proud of myself. Yeah. I also love how my washi tape, though it looks like a little crooked on here, but it's sticking very, very well, which I love very, very much. So hopefully I can finish this tonight. Let's see, just need to finish the head and inside the mouth, and try not to touch the sticky part, and a little down here as well. But here are the other ones. If you didn't get the, maybe zoom out just a tad. These are the other ones. Not sure which one I'm gonna work on next, but I put the washi tape down once I pull off the work before I start working on them. Just leave the cover. Leave the cover on. Leave the cover on until I'm about to work on it. Then I can put the washi tape on it and start working. I think this one's my favorite. I like skulls, and I love the color palette. I'm big on blues and greens are my favorite colors. Looks like you got some purples on there too. And this one, I like this one too. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's not a lollipop, but it makes me think of a lollipop. That's a long stick for a lollipop. But anyway, so that is where I'm at right now. And I will be doing a post review when I'm finished working on this. I might do another video before then just to show you my progress, but I hope to have these done before the end of the no. I will have these done by the end of the month. Yeah, gotta think positively. Yeah, because I got some other picks that I've been really, really wanting to get to, and I haven't diamond painted in over a week, so I'll be ready to diamond paint marathon. Yeah, if my back approves. Yeah. Yeah, some back pain trying to straighten my hair last night. Hopefully I can be a little more comfortable tonight and try to finish this pick. But anyways, I've talked longer than I anticipated. But anyways, shut up, Tori. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, just hit the like button, because why not? No, I don't know why. It's just something I say sometimes on my other channel. But I'm gonna shut up. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, week, or whatever. And I hope to see you in the next video. Maybe, hopefully, please. Alright, love you guys. Bye.